Do you know why Chinese restaurant beef is always so tender? I'm revealing the secret. This is my 20-minute black pepper beef. The secret starts before cooking. It's not the cut of the beef, it's how you prepare it. Slice beef flank against the grain. Beef flank is lean with long muscle fibers. Slicing against the grain shortens those fibers, making the beef naturally more tender. In a mixing bowl, add the beef. Season with salt. Mix until the salt is fully absorbed. Salt helps to retain moisture and starts the protein binding process. Soy sauce, it adds savory umami. Dark soy sauce, it deepens the color. Shaoxing wine, it removes raw beef taste. Sugar, it gives a light char during stir frying. Baking soda, it is the key tenderizer. It raises the pH level of the meat, preventing protein from tightening too much during cooking. Cornstarch slurry, it forms a protective coating around the beef and locks in moisture. Mix well. Lastly, add cooking oil to seal everything in and prevent sticking. Marinate the beef while you prepare the other ingredients. You can also marinate it one day ahead and store it in the fridge. Sliced onion. Green bell pepper. Red bell pepper. And garlic. Let's make the black pepper sauce. Add soy sauce, dark soy sauce, oyster sauce, black pepper, water, and tapioca starch slurry. We have here 1 teaspoon of tapioca starch and 1 tablespoon of water. Tapioca starch adds a glossy finish to the dish. You can replace it with cornstarch or potato starch. In a wok over high heat, add 1 tablespoon of oil. You can use any high smoking point oil like avocado, grapeseed, or peanut. Add the beef and stir fry until cooked through for about 3 minutes. What is your go-to stir fry? Beef, chicken, pork, or tofu? Comment below and share with us. Add the garlic and stir fry for about 10 seconds. Remove and set aside. In the same wok over high heat, add 1 tablespoon of oil. Add the onion, green bell pepper, and red bell pepper. Stir fry for about 30 seconds until aromatic. Return the beef. Add the sauce. Toss everything together. And that's it! The beef is perfectly tender, juicy, and coated in a glossy, savory black pepper sauce. You can pair with rice or lo mein. Don't forget to subscribe, follow, and like for more Asian recipes you can make in 30 minutes or less. For even more tasty recipes, check out my cookbook. Thank you so much for watching.